Hello guys, I'm here in Catholic Church in Bayawan.
Misa pasalamat na gihala ni Lolet Cantor. Misa pasalamat sa grasya karadawat na gihala ni Mr. Alicius Jesse.
Hi Precious!
Special intention for the Holy Spirit. Mass offered by Levian Barton. Thanksgiving Mass to the Sacred Heart of Jesus and Immaculate Heart of Mary for the gift of life.
We are here
Isa pasalamat sa karadawat